All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Thor tool set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Here's the bottom piece. And then the hammer slash handle. Check this out. Check it out. It's got a little weight to it, so good quality. It's got a handle right here as well. Let's check this one. Go ahead and open it through here. All right. Check it out. Very, very cool. Check it out. So we'll start here. So very, very cool looking bottle opener right here. Super cool. You get one of the precision screwdrivers, and it does have several tips in here. As you can see, it's got several in there. We got the insulating tape, screwdriver, different bits for it. You get the tape measure right here. Cool. Got some pliers. Got some Allen wrenches right here. Nice utility knife. Okay. Very nice wrench. And then just some electrical tape right here. So as you can see, everything that comes in the box, and obviously the hammer right there. All right, so that's all the tools that you get in there. And like I said, even with tools or no tools in there, you can just put the hammer in here, and then we'll seal this up. Then it'll carry all your tools just like that. Probably super cool looking tool set right here. So let's go actually just try out the hammer, maybe use some of the other items in here. All right, so we'll start with the surprisingly small but solid tape measure. You get a full 10 feet, as you can see, with smooth pull and auto lock, perfect for jobs like checking the garage or like I am, or sizing new fixtures. And here is the practical but useful utility knife. Sharp edge, solid control, perfect for slicing through packaging, tape, or boxes like I did here. Now we'll go ahead and actually use a hammer. This is no toy, it's forged steel, chrome plated, and it's got real weight to it. I'm driving a nail right into the garage door trim, no bouncing, no struggle, and the anti-slip grip on the handle feels like it was made for real work, not just display. And last but not least, let's go ahead and try out the very cool looking bottle opener. So we'll try it right here. Oh, super simple, yet looks super cool. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new cool tool set, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend. Cheers.